Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can give access to the Google Forms you created. So in here, I've already made a Google Forms, and there are two ways that you can do to give access to the Google Forms. So first, if you just want to give access to the other person to only fill in or answer the Google form, you can just go to the settings in here, and under the responses section, click on the drop down, and you need to make sure that these settings remain the same. So for the collect email address, you make sure that it's on the do not collect options, so that everyone can access into the form. And this required signs also need to be turned off, so you need to make sure that it turned off or it's on gray, because if it's a blue like this, so the respondents or the other person will need to sign in into Google, so they need to have a Google account. So just turn it off like this. So that's how you can just give access if you only want them to fill in. But if you want to give access so that they can add it or maybe add some question into the form, you need to go to click on this more, or click on the horizontal three dots in here at the top right corner, and here choose to add collaborators. Okay, so add collaborators here means that you'll add up the other person into this form, so they can manage this Google form. So for example, here I'm going to just find the other person. For example, this one's right here. Click on the email's name, and here notify them so they can know that they can edit the form now. And after that, you can just click on send. So there will be invitations on their email, and they can just accept the invitation, and after that they can have access into the form. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.